Yes, we have to make a noise, don't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
High five. Okay.
I got.
Okay. Okay.
The mommy.
There's Mummy. She has what?
She has right here.
You have long hair.
Oh, yes. I do.
I guess you never know when a lens is going to be out in front of you.
Are you happy?
I'm gonna go inside.
In sand. Oh, yes.
Lucas won't be there tomorrow because it's a long weekend and both of his parents are home.
Let's stop.
So, come on.
Oh.